everybody, and welcome to another vlog sesh. Hit the intro. So today I'm going somewhere super exciting and I just cannot wait to show you guys what I'm doing. I've kept it quite secret, only like my closest of friends know what I'm doing today. So I'm just so excited to share it with the world. I could cry, I'm so excited. And it's just gonna be adorable. Let's just put it that way. What breed we're getting though, because I don't want to ruin the magic, but I just can't wait.
Eyes are either clear or they're not. There's no reliable genetic screening. There is
I'm in love.
this is
So we've viewed the golden retrievers, which we was going to have a look at, and I'm just so excited. This looks good. Now eating at the harvester. Salad is good. My food has just arrived. Oh my god, I'm excited. So back on home turf now. So yeah, the puppy we are getting is going to be a golden retriever, and was the little boy that I was holding, and literally just cannot wait till he can come home. He's only exactly 2 weeks old today, so he's still very young and he can't come home till he's at least 8 weeks. Just looking forward to it so much, really. I'm walking this one at the moment, taking her for a daily walk, so I'll be doing a lot of that with my own dog as well. Was Florrie, but it should be fun. Florrie, don't sniff the rabbit marbles. Nice word for rabbit poo, by the way. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be with you another day. Hit the like button and all the usual stuff. Comment below what you thought. Okay then, see ya. Bye.